Welcome back to our channel, dear viewers. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that has been raising concerns worldwide. Global boiling. You might be familiar with the term global warming, but have you heard about global boiling? Stick around as we break down this concept and explore its significance. So what exactly is global boiling? Unlike the usual term global warming, which refers to the Earth's average temperature increasing, global boiling goes a step further. It signifies the alarming rise in temperatures, leading to extreme heat waves, melting ice caps, and disrupted ecosystems. In a nutshell, it's the intensified version of global warming that we're witnessing today. Now, you might be wondering what's causing this phenomenon. Human activities, especially the emission of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, are the primary culprits. These gases trap heat in the atmosphere, creating a greenhouse effect and causing temperatures to soar. The effects are numerous and severe, from rising sea levels and more frequent natural disasters to the loss of biodiversity and shifts in weather patterns. The evidence for global boiling is backed by extensive scientific research. The graphic shows the steady increase in global temperatures over the past century. The trend is undeniable, and it's crucial that we pay attention to these changes. The impact of global boiling on ecosystems is staggering. Coral reefs are bleaching, glaciers are retreating, and species are struggling to adapt to the rapidly changing conditions. Ecosystems that have existed for centuries are being disrupted, which can have ripple effects throughout the food chain. But it's not just the environment that's affected. Human health is also at risk due to extreme heat events. Vulnerable populations are more susceptible to heat-related illnesses, and the strain on resources and infrastructure during such events can lead to societal challenges. The good news is that there's still hope. We can take action to mitigate global boiling, transitioning to renewable energy sources, reducing carbon emissions, and adopting sustainable practices are steps in the right direction. It's a collective effort that requires governments, industries, and individuals to work together. As concerned global citizens, we have a responsibility to educate ourselves and others about the reality of global boiling. Share this video, engage in discussions in the comments, and support initiatives aimed at combating climate change. Remember, every small action counts. Understanding the concept of global boiling is the first step towards making positive changes. Let's strive for a world where future generations can thrive in a stable and healthy environment. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, stay informed and take action.